27th. The year is 2025 and it is March 27th, 28th, 29th, 30th, 31st, 1st, 2nd. Alright, so today we have a bit of a room tour. Only because I just cleaned it, okay? So the floor has been completely mopped, swept, mopped. And I can be barefoot in here and it's nice. And this is the current setup of everything. Here, let's ditch this light for this light. A little bit of a light swap. So if you're out here, this is the kitchen. I have some dirty rags in here, but whatever. And you walk in here, this is my room. So this is all ready and prepped for this to span the whole wall, right? And then if you turn, of course, there's your American flag. So big, doesn't even fit in the frame. And then this is the table. When I cleaned this, I actually had it so there was nothing on the table at all. But we just did an episode of Keeping It Real. So this is basically what one episode of Keeping It Real looks like. This is the clutter that one episode of Keeping It Real results in. This was actually supposed to go right. I just realized that we skipped 95. So this has to come down. 95 has to go here, and this one has to go down one. So that's what we're going to do in today's episode. Put you on this tripod. Screw you in. And get cracking. Here we go. All I gotta do really is, first I'll just reuse these same nails. This one, they're pretty good, so I gotta take that one out. Take that one out. Take this down. Look at the difference in these two thumbnails. This one is so high effort, it's so beautiful. Look at the way it's like. And then this one is like, I wanna go to bed. So let's put this one up. Line it up the best you can. And there you go. Alright, so next up we got to grab two more nails. This is where I keep my nails. Right here. Why is the lens look all foggy? Just because it's out of focus? Yeah, I guess so. Put one in your mouth. Put one in your mouth and then make sure you drop it on the ground so that you have to go hunt for it. Because can't leave anything on the ground because, you know, you just swept and everything. All right. Got it. Ooh. Now this goes right here. Done. Okay, now we have to continue the edit of Keeping It Real. This is today's thumbnail. I'm going to have our special guest sign right here. So let us continue what we've come here to do. All right. One of the legs to my... God damn it, why is that off? That sucks. Anyway, get some... I think I actually have some super glue. One of the legs from my audio box thing fell off. Alright, so... I want to quickly finish up Keeping It Real. The audio just synced, so I want to check to make sure that it's good here. The audio just synced up, so I want to make sure that it sounds okay after having been processed. And then I want to and it does sound good. I'm actually gonna. What did I just raise? All right, then skip to the end. Then full HD, export it. 96 is the name. Oh, also, we never took a picture of this thumbnail, but we did hang it on the wall. So now we're going to have to go back to the wall and take a picture. But before I do that, I actually... Yeah, I got time. Here, we'll do that. For that, I use my phone. We're going back and forth and back and forth and back and forth on this. All right. All right. The mic is on, right? So now I want to airdrop this to the only PC that is on right now, or this one. "4K, 24 frames per second. No SD card, let's fix that. Alright, 7 minutes 41 seconds. This thing got dropped to me. But before we do that, I'm going to show you how I do my YouTube shorts. Because, I mean, after all, most of you are here because of my YouTube shorts. These videos don't get that many views. My YouTube shorts do get that many views. So, I don't know. I feel like this only is right, you know? Lately I've been thinking about how many views my YouTube shorts get. I didn't come on YouTube to make shorts. But shorts came to me and said, hey, we do better. So then I make shorts. It's kind of like if you find a nice, beautiful woman. You don't really, like, expect to be taking care of her kids, but you do want to have sex with her, you know? Did that make sense? Yo, my last short, I wish I could, like, go back in time and take it back. But it was already recorded, already filmed, so it's already posted. This is my third to last YouTube short with this beard. Yes, I could grow another one someday, but it will never be this exact same beard with these same hairs. This is very sad stuff. I'm going to miss these hairs in particular. Goodbye, beard. In exactly 1 hour and 41 minutes, I will be shaving this off my face. That's actually a lie. I'm not going to be shaving it. The barber will be. I'm going to go to the ATM and withdraw $25, and they're going to shave it for me. Because I have a great relationship with my barber. I like them a lot, and I think that this is a good thing to pay them for. Time to shave and time to go to the barber. You know what I'm saying? Let me tell you a story. Last night, I go to make my YouTube shorts, and I'm making them, and I had a long day. You know, I'm thinking, I just want to push these out here. Lately, I have been noticing a trend. The higher energy I put into the video, the more views it tends to get. So I'm thinking, I don't have a lot of energy. I'm not going to get a lot of views. But
I got the most viewed short I've made all month? How does this make any sense? It's true. That's the end of this video. See you tomorrow.